In this video, I'm going to show you how to use all-in-one SEO with the page builder WPBakery. Welcome to All-in-One SEO. We make SEO easy with our powerful WordPress SEO plugin. Let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is install the All-in-One SEO plugin. If you already have AIOSEO installed, you can skip ahead to the next part of the video using the timestamps below. So let's go ahead and click on Plugins, and then click on the button that says Add New. If you haven't done so already, we're going to want to download the plugin from AIOSEO.com. You're going to go to the Account section, into your Download area, and click the big green button that says Download AIOSEO. And if you don't have an account already, you should be able to create one pretty easily. So back on the Plugins page of your WordPress website, we're going to go ahead and click the Upload Plugin button, and then click Choose File, and choose the plugin file that you just downloaded. And then click the Install Now button. After the plugin installs, click the blue button that says Activate Plugin. After the plugin installs and is activated, the AIOSEO setup wizard will pop up automatically. We have another video that walks you through these steps, and I highly encourage you to go through that wizard because it will just set up your whole website for success as far as your SEO efforts go. But for now, we're going to head back to the dashboard. And then if you scroll on down the page and click the link, there's a space for us to enter our All-in-One SEO Pro license key. Back on our AIOSEO account, which you can find at AIOSEO.com/account, make sure you're on the Downloads tab, and then next to where it says License Key, if you click on the icon, it will copy out our All-in-One SEO Pro license key. And then we're going to paste the license key into the license key field, click Connect, and that's it. All-in-One SEO Pro is activated on this website. If you want to be doubly sure, you can go ahead and click the blue Save Changes button. And then we're going to scroll up and click on the dashboard link, just so we're all on the same page. So now that you've got All-in-One SEO installed, let's head on over to the Pages section. And I'm going to scroll down to this page called Fitness Challenge. I'm going to hover over it and click on the link that says Edit with WPBakery Page Builder. So if you have All-in-One SEO installed and you have WPBakery Page Builder installed, you'll notice there's an integration now within WPBakery. You'll see this All-in-One SEO button up top, and it's got our TruSEO page score for this page. It's scoring a 68 out of 100. So if I click on that button, I get all the same options in All-in-One SEO that we get in the Gutenberg block editor. So if I click on General, I can see a snippet preview of how my listing will appear in Google. I could edit that snippet if I want. If I click on Focus Key Phrase, I can see that I don't even have a focus key phrase set for this page. So while we're in here, let's go ahead and set that. This is a page about a fitness challenge. Let's just target the focus key phrase Fitness Challenge. And after I do that, I can see immediately that my All-in-One SEO TruSEO score bumped up from a 68 to a 76. There's some more information about what we're doing right and wrong as far as our focus key phrase below that. If I click on additional key phrases, there's an option to add additional key phrases. If I click on basic SEO, it's telling me they have 5 errors. So I can see with the green check mark the things I'm doing right, and the red X are the things that I need to work on. There's 1 error with my title, and there's 3 errors with my readability. We have videos all over this YouTube channel that get into how to do all of these SEO tasks and improve the on-page SEO of your content. So I'm not going to dive into all of those today. In this video, I just wanted to show you the integration between WPBakery and All-in-One SEO and how easy it is to get into those things. But I will focus on the snippet preview since we're right here. If I click the button that says Edit Snippet, we can see a preview of what our snippet will look like in Google. So this is saying Fitness Challenge, and then there's this little separator here, Demo Site, and this green checkmark emoji. And if you look in the section below that where it says Page Title, this is how we construct that title. So it's saying Page Title, Fitness Challenge, separator, that vertical bar, Site Title, Demo Site, and the checkmark emoji is showing up here in our preview. Below that, our SEO description is saying Demo Site, vertical bar, AIOSEO's Demo Site. That's not a very good description for a page about a fitness challenge. So if I look below the page title construction section, there's the meta description construction section here, and it's saying to use the smart tag site title separator tagline. I don't think that's a very good meta description, so I'm going to highlight that and just wipe it all out, and I'm going to write my own description here, or rather I'm going to paste a description in that I've saved. So I've added in join our 30-day fitness challenge. Our fitness challenge starts this month. Sign up for a 30-day fitness challenge right here on our fitness website. But that looks a lot better than what we had with just generic information. As you can see, our TruSEO score has bumped up even further now to an 81. I think we were at a 68 when we started. So just by making these two small changes, selecting a focus key phrase and changing our SEO description, we have dramatically improved the on-page SEO of this page. So I'm going to close out of this modal, and I'm going to go ahead and update my page. Before I do that, I want to point out one thing. There's a little drop-down caret here. If we click that, you can see that we have an option now to update and don't modify the date. So this is an option that you would use if you're just fixing something very minor on the page, like a typo, and you don't want to update the post modified or page modified date. But since I made some pretty substantial changes, I'm going to choose the normal option and just click the update button. So that's it. Our page has been saved. If you want to continue on your SEO journey for this page, you can jump into all of these red X's here and make changes to anything that needs updating from an SEO perspective. So just as an example, the focus key phrase in the subheadings, I don't have fitness challenge appearing anywhere in the subheadings on my page, or very sparsely in the subheadings of my page. So I could add subheadings there and bump that up. The focus key phrase is not in any of my image alt attributes. I could add the focus key phrase to one or more of those image alt attributes and bump that up. Basic SEO, we're not seeing my focus key phrase in the introduction. So if I have an intro paragraph, I could make sure to mention fitness challenge in that intro paragraph, and that would bump that score up. The content length is way too short. Again, this is just a demo page that was kind of thrown together as a placeholder. As I flush this page out, I could add more content, more paragraphs of text to make the content length more appropriate. I could add external links to the page. We do have some internal links, so we're scoring well on that for internal links. That's why we have a green check mark here. The SEO title is way too short, so I could beef up that SEO title a little bit. I don't have any transition words in any of the sentences. That probably has more to do with the fact that this is just a demo page with not a lot of content. So as I filled out the content, I would probably add some transition words naturally as I'm writing. If I don't, this is a great reminder. This whole section here serves as an SEO checklist of things we can do to improve the SEO of this page, including adding those transition words. I have some consecutive sentences that start with the same word, so I would mix that up a little bit. And then I could work on the reading ease of this page as well. So these are all the things you can do with all-in-one SEO that you could have done in the regular Gutenberg block editor. They're now available here in WPBakery. So if you use a page builder like WPBakery with this all-in-one SEO integration, now you can perform all of the all-in-one SEO tasks that you would normally perform on your content right from within WPBakery. So that's how to use all-in-one SEO with the page builder WPBakery. If you don't already have our awesome all-in-one SEO plugin installed, we've got a link to it in the description below this video. It can help you out with the task in this video, as well as many other SEO jobs that you might have to do on your WordPress website. If you click on this next video right here, I'll show you how to use all-in-one SEO with the page builder Avada. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on how to use our easy and powerful WordPress SEO plugin, All-in-One SEO.